Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So to do this, you just have to open your phone application, then tap here, go to the call blocking, and here you have the block list. Tap here, then tap add. Then you have to, here you can enter the name of this number. Here you just have to enter number which you want to block. Then you can select if you want to block its messages, calls, and then just tap OK. And after that, this number will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.